Hi viewers. Welcome to our YouTube channel Everything About Accounting. If you want to learn accounting easy and simple way, you are in the right place. We all know that the journal is the first step in recording transactions in the account books. Journal has immense importance in accounting. So, in this video, we will learn why journal is called the subsidiary book of accounts. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for getting regular updates about accounting. So, let's get started. Why journal is called the subsidiary book of accounts. Journal is the daily, primary, and subsidiary book of accounts. That is, when a business transaction takes place, the book on which this transaction is recorded, with proper reason, is called journal. Journal is called the subsidiary book of accounts, which serves as the basis for determining the final result in accounting. Now we try to understand why journal is called the subsidiary book of accounts. 1. Transactions are recorded first in the journal book, then transferring those in ledger. As a result, ledger becomes easier. 2. In the journal, transactions are recorded in a chronological manner. In the future it can be used as proof of future evidence. 3. In journal, transactions are recorded with proper explanation. In the near future, if any issue arises from the transaction, its explanation can be obtained from the journal. 4. Journal ensures the accuracy of the ledger. 5. Transactions, those transfers from journal to ledger, do not need to be reanalyzed as a result, because the journal reduces the error and faults. 6. Journal provides the idea of daily income and expenditure of the business. I think you're clear about why journal is called the subsidiary book of accounts. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and share. You can also visit our official website www.everythingaboutakcounting.info for more updates. Thanks for watching.